What are your views on textile industry?
The industry has been, particularly in Indian textiles, the growth of cotton industry has been tremendous. But of late we are seeing there is a slightly slump because of the currency and other factors like higher input cost and all. But these factors have affected all over the textile world, and it's not only limited to India. But I think in next coming years, definitely the industry is poised to go for major leap, because India, particularly the cotton crop is growing, and I feel personally that Indian textile industry is bound for getting major benefits.
What are your expansion plans?
Currently, we are expanded from 20 to 40 million meters, and then we have also added a garmenting unit in our subsidiary, that is Surya Kiran International. So we are going to concentrate to expand our garmenting business so that we can get a much higher value addition. And also we are going to add a captive power plant in Denim, so that our power costs are limited in future.
What is your strategy of growth?
Growth has to be there continuously, but we have been growing continuously, but we feel now we need to concentrate on value addition, and that's why we are concentrating on garmenting business, and we feel that expanding that side of business will help us in consolidating even in fabrics and yarns.
Do you have some brands?
Currently, we are not into branding. We are supplying to major international brands, but that would be our next stage.
How company is faring on the export front?
Exports have been continuously growing in the company, and particularly in denim we have a major share in export market, and in garmenting we are catering to say 90